How to create a Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create a Facebook account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and then tap on Facebook. So search for Facebook application just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. So here you can see I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open and then it will land us to Facebook page. Here tap on get started and here first of all you need to mention your name. So let's just mention your name over here. Then tap on next. Then here just set your birth date. I'm going to set a very random date over here. And then tap on set. Then tap on next. Then tap on the gender and then tap on next. And here you just need to mention your mobile number. So after that, you'll be able to receive the notification to verify yourself, or you can either sign up with your email as well. So here just mention your email, then you'll get the verification code, and after verifying, then tap on next, and then after verifying, you'll be able to create your account on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.